Do you ever have a problem with a leaky garden tap? Wärmer has a solution for you. First, make sure to isolate the water supply. Position the plate in place and mark the holes. Drill the holes with appropriate drill. Insert the plugs and screw the wall plate in position. Lock the compression fit using adjustable wrench. Choose one of our new outdoor taps, which come with a pre-installed Teflon ring, eliminating the need to add any Teflon tape for sealing. The tap is equipped with a locking nut. Additionally, our outdoor taps feature an anti-Legionella valve, providing protection for your water system. The tap is equipped with a locking nut. Screw in the tap and adjust it to the desired position using an appropriate wrench. Then, tighten the locking nut. And you're ready to go. Before winter, make sure to isolate the water supply. Then, you can drain any remaining water in the pipes using the drain valve. This will prevent damage to the taps during temperature drops.
Our product is certified and patented. For more information, please contact our main distributor. You can find their contact details on their website.